Everyone, and happy new year. And this new year resolution I have made is to post every week at least thrice. And on every Monday I will be posting my makeup videos, and every Wednesday I will be posting about any home remedy, about hair, about your skin color. And on every Saturday I would be posting either a review video or maybe a remedies that I have tried from others' channel. You can post a link below of which video you want me to try that remedy for you, that either it work or not. This video is all about blue smoky eye with sort of glitter, and it will give the hello effect. So it's a combination of cat eye, smoky eye, and the hello eye makeup, and I have never done this sort of makeup ever before. If you're interested in soft makeup look or everyday makeup look, so you can go on my channel and you can see my everyday makeup video series, and in that playlist you will find all the videos which are related with everyday makeup and a very simple makeup. So first I will conceal my eye with the NYX Above and Beyond full coverage concealer. I have actually already done my eyebrows. I'll set my concealer with loose powder, and the loose powder that I'm using is from Maniso. It's Maniso Invisible Fix Loose Powder. I'm also putting this loose powder under my eye, so if there is any fallout, it should go on this and not on my I have already applied the base, so not on my base. So as you can see, I have already applied the tape, so I have saved the time. And the next thing which I'm going to do is the shade which I'm going to take. First I will take this this color, which is Bliss, and then I'm taking this color which is third from the from fifth row, and it's Sand. This is Morphe 35F palette. Actually you need anything neutral. You need anything neutral for your transition color. So the first shade I have taken is Bliss. And then I have taken another color which is Sand. Now with the help of clean blending brush, I will blend this eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this palette which is Morphe 35B, and I'm taking the color Pebble. Pebble is black color, so if you have any black color you can use, and you would need this sort of brush because we are going to use it on our crease and on the side of our eye. For the side of eye it's okay, but for crease you have to be like very much precise. It should not be go very much black, because black has a potential to black is so much pigmented and it has potential that it just ruin your makeup if you do not do it correctly. I have just applied it on my, and gradually I will, from the corner I will start and I'll go there, and I have to be precise towards my crease. So if you open your half eye, you would clearly see your crease, and then you can close and you can build the color. Now we are again taking a blending brush and we will blend. I'm taking this Body Shop blending brush, and what I will do, I will take two colors. Color which I will take is called Sky in Morphe 35F. It's this matte color, and the next color which I will take is a sort of shimmer color, and it's called Azure, and you have to cover your whole lid. And I'm also blending it with the black color which I have already applied. So you can see now it's blended. On same brush I have taken this next color which is called Azure or Azure in UK language. So first, when you heavily apply the eyeshadow, just apply it to the near to your eyelashes, and then whatever is remaining just go to the top. So in this way you will not have lots of color on your crease area, because if you blend, it will go upward direction, and we simply don't want that. Now I'm just taking a clean blending brush and I will just blend. Then you would need this sort of brush, or any brush you would need. I have just loaded this Morphe 35F B color, which is called Pebble, and in Morphe 35F it's called Obsidian, which is charcoal black. And I will just apply on I will take this pupil as a guideline and I will apply it here. So you can see I have actually just applied to the length of my brush. Now I'm taking the same brush, and what I will do, I will blend the edges of this pebble or black color in the blue color which I have already applied. Next thing, I'm using this Miss Rose glitter eyeshadow palette, and the color which I'm using is this aqua sort of color which I will use, and I will use it in just hollow of my eye. For this you need a flat brush. I'm using this NYX matte finish setting spray. Just apply once. In this way, this glitter eyeshadow, it will stay on your eyes and it will not fall out. And we just have to apply in the hollow of my eye. And then with the help of any brush from which you can do blending, and we will just blend a bit. At this point, I will just remove this tape that I had applied, but I'm seeing it's a bit less here, so we can just fill it. So I'm taking a bit more black. Now I'm using Miss Rose Kajal long lasting gel eyeliner. It's called gel eyeliner, but I didn't find any gel. It's sort of a kajal. So if you have any pencil, you can use your pencil too. And I will tight line my eye with it. And I will just not tight line my eye, but I will also drag it a bit on my under eye, because I will make this with black, and then I will apply the same azure color on the lower lash line. With this brush I will blend this black eye pencil. Okay, now we are taking again the same color, and I will just blend it with black. So the black will not look like a black, but it will also look like a sort of bluish sort of black, a soft one. I'm using this chalk color, and I will just apply it here. I have finished makeup on both of my eyes, and what I will do now, I will take this Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I have also applied a bit of almond oil, so it just becomes a runny one, because on glitter eyeshadow it's very difficult to apply the gel eyeliner. And with the help of this brush, which actually comes with the Maybelline gel eyeliner, I will apply the eyeliner, and I will not go more, I will just stop it here. A sort of thicker eyeliner, and then afterward I will finish this look with the help of falsies. You have to make a smaller wing at the end of your eye, but it should not be a cat eyeliner or a bigger wing, otherwise it will just affect the eyeshadow. So this is the final result, and you can see I have applied the falsies, and after applying my eyeliner, if you like this look, just tell me in the comment below, and tell me which eye color basically you like most, like in eyeshadows, and you really want to play with the color, and which eyeshadow palette is your best palette which you really want to use. Till then, bye bye.